Hello friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. And today we're going to do a video that I have seen all over my social media. It's called Queso chicken and rice, and it's simple and it's just a casserole, so we're going to give it a try. And you need taco seasoning, 3 cups of chicken broth, 15 ounces of salsa, rotisserie chicken, or you can do your own chicken, and 2 packages of Mexican rice, and 2 cups of Colby Jack. And then you top it with queso after it's done baking. And you want a 9 by 13 lightly sprayed casserole dish, and you want to preheat your oven to 350 and cook it for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. So let's get started. You take your rice, just dump it in here. And then your 3 cups of chicken broth. Your salsa. One package of taco seasoning, but all I have is this. So you take 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and just sprinkle it over. And then you want to take your chicken, kind of just break it apart. And then once you have your chicken in, you just want to stir it all together. And once it's all stirred together, you want to add your Colby Jack cheese. And once that's done, you want to cover it with aluminum foil. And cover it as tight as you can get it. And then you put it in a preheated 350 oven for about 45 minutes. And when it's done coming out of the oven, you pour your queso on top. And I'll be back as soon as it's ready.
Oh, Gina, that looks good.
Now it's time to add the queso. Just pour it over top. And I'm going to let that set for about 2 or 3 minutes, kind of to set up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's on the plate. Added a little bit of cream cheese, and we're going to try this. That's really, really good. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping in, and we hope to see you soon.